How long do alimony payments last after a divorce in New Jersey?
In New Jersey, alimony payments and their duration is going to depend on the type of alimony that was awarded during your divorce. There are 4 types of alimony that are available in New Jersey. The first is rehabilitative alimony. That's typically where somebody needs to become re-educated or gain skills in order to re-enter the workplace after a period of time of being out. The second type is reimbursement alimony, and that's usually what we think of when someone has paid to send their spouse to college or some type of postgraduate school, only to have them immediately file for divorce right after. So in that circumstance, one party, the party who paid, will oftentimes seek to have that money back to them in the form of reimbursement alimony. The third type of alimony is the most common, which is limited duration alimony. That means typically where the parties have had a marriage of such a period of time that one partner has relied upon the lifestyle and is not able to live the marital lifestyle without the payment of alimony, but it doesn't warrant payments forever. It warrants some period of time, some number of years of assistance, so the person can get back on their feet and perhaps retrain, but also perhaps gain more traction in their career, reallocate their expenses, and adjust to post-divorce economic life. And then the final type of alimony is what we refer to as open duration, and that's what used to be referred to as permanent alimony. Those are for long-term marriages, usually 20 plus years, and those are circumstances where one partner, no matter what they did in terms of gaining new skills, what they did in terms of going back to school, could not possibly live the marital lifestyle if they were to become re-employed after decades out of the workforce, or even decades at a lower level of income, where they would not be able to sustain themselves at a higher level. Oftentimes it's after children have been born, after the parties have merged their financial lives and have really become very interdependent, and one party would be severely disadvantaged without alimony until the other partner retires or simply no longer has the wherewithal to pay alimony. So how long your alimony is going to last is the subject of negotiation or a court order if a court ultimately determines that it needs to, after a trial, award alimony to one party.